Friends, whenever you send a video normally to any WhatsApp contact number, it reduces the quality of sent video. So in this video, I will show you how to send a video as a document in WhatsApp. And by sending any video as document, the quality of video will remain as it is. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First of all, open WhatsApp application on your device and select a contact on which you want to send a video as document. Now tap on attachment button in front of type message. Here you will see a option of document. Tap on it. When you will tap on document, now it will take you to the picture gallery of your mobile. Now select a video you want to send on desired WhatsApp contact number and tap on a video. Now you can see that this video will be sent as document. And if you want to add captions on this video, so you can add here. After writing captions, tap on send button. Now you can see that this video is being sent. Now you have to wait for a few seconds to upload it. After completion of uploading of this video, it will be sent automatically to your desired WhatsApp contact. Now you can see that this video has been sent successfully to your desired WhatsApp contact. So in this way you can send any video as document on any WhatsApp contact number. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comment. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.